In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall Microsoft Store. If the Microsoft Store is missing, not opening correctly, or acting strangely, there's a quick built-in method you can try directly from Windows. This process is simple, and it usually only takes a few minutes to complete, although the exact timing can vary depending on your system. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which is a handy tool in Windows for launching commands and built-in utilities quickly. Once the Run box appears, type wsreset.exe, followed by a space and then a hyphen and the letter I. After you've entered the command, press Enter on your keyboard to run it. At this point, you may see a blank command prompt window appear on your screen. That's normal, so don't worry if it looks like nothing is happening right away. In the background, Windows is using this tool to reset and reinstall the Microsoft Store automatically. The most important thing here is to be patient and let the process finish. Avoid closing the blank window or interrupting the command while it's running. Depending on your computer, it may take a few minutes before the process completes. Once it's done, the Microsoft Store should be downloaded and reinstalled automatically in the background. If you don't see immediate changes, give Windows another moment to finish updating everything properly. That's all there is to it. This is one of the easiest ways to restore the Microsoft Store using a built-in Windows command, and it can be especially helpful when the app is missing or corrupted. After the process finishes, you can try opening Microsoft Store again to check if it's working.